Hello everybody, I hope you're having a good day. I am about to take a 156 mile trip. I'm a few miles in. I started at 100% battery. It said originally I had 314 miles of range. I'm already at 297 and I'm already 3 miles in, so guessometer is in effect. I'm still at 100% charge. I do have a stop or two to make on the way. The wind is about 7 miles an hour to my back from the northwest, so that should be fine. It is 24 degrees outside, so it's pretty chilly. I did not precondition the battery, and we should arrive with 24%. So, yeah. Upcoming tomorrow, I'm going to be taking a round trip to pick up our son in La Crosse, and so excited to have some longer range details along with some DC fast charging. I will see you at the next stop or on the other end. Thank you. Our drive is coming to an end. We have went 148 miles at 1.7 kilowatt hours. You can see the anticipation of a better route planner was significantly less than 35% when we left earlier. Gasometer says we have 76 miles of range, so 76 plus the 140 we went, suggesting around 220. That's not great, but again, serves my purposes. I did not precondition the battery, so that I'm sure made a difference. And if we go to trip 1, which will have the whole trip, we went 1.7 miles per kilowatt hour, 149 miles. And you can see 9% for climate use, 6% for exterior temperature. I think it would have been really interesting to see the difference had I done the departure time, the preconditioning of the battery. I will be doing that tomorrow. I've got a longer drive, like I said earlier, some DC fast charging stops, go pick up our son from college for Thanksgiving. But yeah, that concludes our drive. It ended up at 30 degrees, had a little bit of a tailwind, about 7 miles an hour. But overall, pleasant drive. Again, 160 to 200 mile range. It's pretty non-eventful. So we'll see you on the next drive. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.